How we assemble the system. The only thing I've pre-connected on this system is the wheels. These wheels are standard just push fit, so nice and easy. And like the others, we have got larger levers for this area at the base. Remember, you've got those areas there that support us from a safety point of view, know whether they're in the right depth or not. So we'll push down into the base unit and then lock that upright in place. The hover arm has some nice features like the ability to adjust the pressure required to move the device into the right position. And this column here locks directly into the base, nice and safely. And with one fix, we've now got our system fully built. We've got a plus and minus, which allows us either to increase or decrease the amount of pressures required to maneuver this arm. Something else to be thinking about is when we've got heavier systems up to the weight of 5 kilograms connected, we've been able to apply and add in a truncated system so that any cables can be fed down this mechanism here. So there's less opportunity for trips. Got my GridPad 16, and I'm going to connect that directly to my UDA on the hover arm. Bring that round. See that with this system as well, with it being on a star base, we've got real versatility and flexibility of movement to many different positions. And then with a counterbalanced hover arm, I can, with one arm, adjust the system really easily. So for those support workers, caregivers, that making those adjustments is quite difficult, we can set the tolerance in this system to be able to be supportive of those that possibly have difficulties with supporting heavier systems.